Hello students, welcome back to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today I will be discussing the sixth session of the unit, third linked list of the subject data structures using C. Students, in the last session, that is session number 5 of the third chapter, we discussed about types of linked list and implementation of linked list. How can we implement it? That is by declaring a node and performing various operations over the linked list. In this session, I will take you to how to write a program for implementing the linked list. So you will be creating the nodes, right? Realizing the linked list through the C program. Okay, students. So linked list creation and display the created list and insertion of a new node at front, deletion of a node at front, searching an element in the created list, and traversing the list. So these many concepts we will discuss in this session. Okay, first of all, let us see the program, C program for creating a linked list. So linked list ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ defining the operation over the linked list. So how to declare a linked list node? By using the keyword struct node. I'm using standard io.h and standard library.h. So int data struct node star next. So star next is a pointer. Okay, struct node and head. I'm declaring the head node for the linked list. And I'm declaring two functions. One is insert function and second one is display function. Okay, so as I declared two functions, insert and display, let us see the insert function. So insert functionally, what is the code? I am declaring one pointer star ptr to the struct node type and one item which is integer data type. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Here we are allocating the memory to the newly creating node which is a pointer ptr. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು struct node, ಒಂದು node ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು create ಮಾಡಿ that is assigned to the pointer. Okay, so we are comparing whether that pointer is equal to null. If it is null, then display the message overflow, ಅಂದ್ರೆ memory allocate ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Usually memory allocate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's a worst or some exceptional case only this message will come. But it is the duty of a programmer to write such messages for such exceptions. So ಈ ತರ exceptions ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if it is not equal to null, else then enter a value. So first ಆ ನೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಐಟಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನರ್, and insert that item to the data part. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. So 100, if I entered 100 value, then insert that item to the pointer data. Okay, so structure ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆರೋ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಆರೋ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಅನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐಟಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್. Okay, So pointer next equal to head. Sorry. Okay students. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇದು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು head equal to pointer. So ಇದು pointer will become now head. Fine. This is about inserting a node at the front of the inserting a node. That is, here we are creating the node. Then display whatever the list is created, here we have to display it. Compare pointer to the null. If it is null, then nothing to print, else print the values. Okay, pointer again compare. Pointer is not equal to null. Until it becomes null, keep on printing the pointer data values. Then pointer equal to pointer next, traversing it. Okay students, so here it is a main function. Take the choices. As it is a menu driven interactive program, it will ask the users to enter the options or choices. So here I have three choices: insert, display and exit. So based on the user choice, program will behave accordingly. So here I am using cases, switch cases. Case 1 insert, case 2 display and case 3 exit. By default it will ask user to please enter a valid choice. So students, now let me write the same program in the compiler and let me create the linked list. Okay students, here it is the program of creating a linked list. The same which I explained in the PPT, here I copied it. Here it is a creation node declaration, struct node. In that I have declared int data struct node pointer next, and here one more pointer I am declaring head, and two functions I have declared insert and display. Here it is a user interactive menu driven program which asks the users to exercise his choice. So choice 1 is inserting a node into the list, and choice 2 is displaying the list nodes, and choice 3 is exit. Okay students, so here it is the main logic of the node creation, where pointer is comparing with the null. If it is null, then give the exception message overflow, else enter the value, and item whatever entered by the user is copied into the pointer or node data part, and pointer next is pointed to the head, and head is equal to pointer node inserted. And here next functionality is display. Here also compare pointer to the null. If list is empty, nothing to print, else display one by one. Compare pointer to the null. Until pointer reaches to the null, display the nodes element. Okay students, so let me run this program. Here I am running this. Let me maximize the console. So here it is asking user enter your choice. What are our choices? Insert, display and exit. Choice 1. Choice 1 is for choice 1 is for creating a node. Okay students, let me readjust the window so that it is visible to you clearly. Enter the value. So let me enter 500, then enter again choice. I entered 400, one more, enter your choice. I entered 300. Enter the choice. Again, I want to insert new node. Enter the value. My value is 200. Enter the choice 1. My value is 100. So students, I created 5 nodes, namely 100, node 100 is inserted, node 200 is inserted, node 300 is inserted, node 400 is inserted, and node 500 is inserted. So to check whether all the nodes are created properly or not, let me display this. So enter the choice 2 for display. So here it is the linked list that is created. Okay students, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. 100 is pointing to the next node, that is 200, and 200 next pointer is pointing to the next node 300, and similarly 300 next part is pointing to the memory address of 400 value, and like this. Okay students, in this way we can create a linked list. This is the code for creating the linked list. Understood students? Next we will discuss the operation that can be performed on the linked list. Now we created the linked list. So 5 elements ಇರಂತ linked list 5 nodes ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು create ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Next ಏನು discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ operations that can be performed on the linked list, which we discussed in the last session. Okay students? Fine. Now case 1, we will see the case 1 as there are 3 cases. So first case, linked list implementation. Implement the following in C program. Inserting a node at the beginning. Inserting a node at the beginning of the list. Deleting a node at the beginning of the list. Search an item in the list and traverse the list. So these operations we will see. Before starting this, let us discuss the algorithm and flowchart of each operations. Write an algorithm to insert a node at the beginning of the list. So ಈ ಒಂದು algorithm explains a node insertion at the beginning of the list. So list ನ beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ node ಅನ್ನು insert ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ algorithm ನ explain ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So what is an algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step solution for a given problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ given problem ಏನಿದೆ? ಒಂದು ನೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ is our problem, and step-by-step solution to this problem is an algorithm, and that algorithm is shown here. Step 1, start. Set the pointer to the address of new node. New node ಏನು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and insert the value to the data part of the pointer, that node. And if head is equal to null, then go to the step 5 and assign head equal to pointer and update the head pointer. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, beginning of the list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ node ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, so that pointer link is equal to head and head equal to pointer. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ನೋಡ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that should be pointing to the head and update this pointer is equal to head, so that the node is inserted at the beginning of the list. So here it is the flowchart of inserting a node at the beginning of the list. So flowchart ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? So flowchart is a diagram which shows the solution to a given problem. Diagrammatic representation of a problem. So void node insert at begin. So beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು node ಅನ್ನ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ along with its data value in num. So create a first node, or you can say pointer, which we discussed in the algorithm. Struct node first node and allocate the memory to the first node using the malloc function. Okay, malloc function ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಗೆ ಮೆಮೊರಿಯನ್ನು ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If first node is equal to null, compare it. If it is not null, then first node num is equal to num and first node next pointer equal to starting node, start node equal to first node. If it is null, yes. If it is yes, then memory cannot be allocated. If it is equal to null, then memory cannot be allocated. If it is not null, means there are some existing nodes. To that list, we need to insert the node at the beginning. So first node num equal to num, first node next pointer equal to starting node, and starting node equal to first node. Hence, end it. Okay, so this is the main logic which inserts a node at the beginning of the list. Okay, students. Fine. So as this diagram we already discussed in the last session, inserting a new node to the, so this diagram we already seen in the last session. So new node next is pointing to the header next and making header pointing to the pointer. So this will insert a new node into the list. Okay, coming to the second operation, write an algorithm to delete a node at the beginning of the list. So existing list we created, from that list we have to delete first node. Okay, ಆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಅದರದ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So it is very simple. Start the algorithm, copy the address of the first node, move the head to the second node of the linked list. That is, first ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, copy the address of this first node, head into the pointer and simply assign head equal to pointer next. So ಈ pointer next ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, that will be pointing to the next one, that is second node, and header equal to pointer next, which will delete the first node. First node the link ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು disconnect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So disconnect the connection of the first node to the second node. Go to the step 5. So step 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, once it is disconnected, next job is to free it, free the pointer. So ಈ pointer ಏನು ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬೇಕು, so that head will point to the second node. Okay, so here it is the flowchart of deleting a node at the beginning of the list. So delete first node. So p equal to first node. If first node next pointer, if it is pointing to the first node, if it is yes, then pointer equal to pointer next. So consider this is our list. So this is the pointer which is pointing to the first node. Okay, so what is the code pointer next? If it is not equal to first node, then store that node into store and first node equal to first node next pointer. So first node the next pointer ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಇದೆ. So pointer ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, it has to point to the next one. In both the cases, p equal to p next, and the node is deleted, and that value is informed to the user. So pointer next equal to first node. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫ್ರೀ ದ node which is stored in the pointer store, and last end it. So this is the flowchart for deleting a node at the beginning of the linked list. Okay student, see here, head initially pointing to the first node, here it is pointer, right? So pointer equal to header. Next in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, now pointer equal to header, and header equal to pointer next. So ಈ header ಏನಿದೆ this is equal to pointer next. So pointer next ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So making it to point to the second node instead of this link. This is the old link, this is disconnected. Okay, and free the pointer. So ಈ pointer ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು free ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Hence now first node is deleted and this is the latest list. Okay student, deleting a node from the beginning. So now let us see the program, execution of C program for the above operation through the C compiler. So ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, how to create the linked list. ಆ program ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, we created the 5 nodes. Similarly, now again we will create the linked list. We will insert the new node at the beginning. Also we will perform the operation deletion of a node at the beginning, and we will search a given item and also we will traverse it. Okay students, so let me show you this program through the compiler. Real ಆಗಿ hands on experience ಅನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. So students, here it is the program I have written in C compiler. This program will insert and delete a node at the front of a linked list. So starting from the first line, I am including standard io.h header file as well as standard library.h header file. Followed by this, here I am declaring a node. So this part is the declaration of the node, and also I am declaring one function begin insert, begin delete, display and search. So here display, it means traverse. Okay, traverse and search. Okay students, followed by this I am writing main program void main int choice, as it is a user interactive program. It will ask user to exercise his choice whether he want to insert in the beginning or delete from the beginning, or whether user wants to search an element in the list and display the list. So user will enter his choice. So based on his choice, controller will take to the any one of the choices which are listed here. So what are those choices? Case number 1, begin insert, begin delete. Okay, here bit changes happened to the case 2. Okay, and case 3 search, case 4 display, and case 5 exit. By default, console will ask user to enter the valid choice. So main logic of the program is here. Begin insert ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದೆ. So ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So here I am declaring one pointer and one item. Item is the user entered data value, and here it is a dynamic memory allocation to the node using the malloc function. Okay, so after allocating the memory to the pointer, it is comparing to the null for handling some exceptions. So if your memory is full, then overflow, otherwise enter the value. So user enters the value item and that is copied to the node data part, and head is pointed to the next pointer. Next is equal to head and head equal to pointer. Now head will become the pointer, node is inserted. So this is the logic of the program where a newly created node pointer is inserted at the beginning. So head equal to pointer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂ ನೋಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ that is placed at the beginning of the linked list which is head. Okay students, so next ಏನಿದೆ, next function is begin delete. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್. ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೋ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ search. Whatever the user wants to search the item, that is achieved through this code. Okay students, and if you wish to display the content of the linked list, so here you can list it, display it. Okay, so now let me run this program. Okay, so enter your choice. So what is our choice? First choice is to insert beginning. So first ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೀನಿ. Okay, so enter the value. For example, I want to insert 400. Next, so 400 ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿನ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 400 ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು 300 ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು, 400 ಮೊದಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್. ಎಂಟರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ 1. Enter the value 300. So 300 inserted node. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಅನ್ನ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ 300 400 ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 300 followed by 400. Okay students, so next if I want to insert 200, so beginning first ನೋಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, 300 ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 200 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ I will insert one more node. Enter your choice and 200. So 200 inserted. Let me display this. See here, 200, 300, 400. Again one more value I want to insert, and now I will give the value as 100. So e 100 ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, it has to be inserted before 200. Insert ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Yes, it is inserting. So now again I want to display it. So ನೋಡಿ, so one by one ನಾವು beginning of the list insert ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. 400 followed by this 300, 200, 100. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ a node at the beginning of the list. Now this is the first case insertion operation. What about the deletion operation? We also seen the algorithm of inserting it first. Sorry, inserting it first, deleting it first. Okay. So now we will exercise the second option. So delete from the beginning. So already list ಏನಿದೆ 100, 200, 300, 400 ಇದೆ. So second option ಅನ್ನ exercise ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, 100 ಅನ್ನ delete ಆಗಿದ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. So let me check that. Option choice 2. So no deleted from the beginning. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100 ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 200, 300, 400. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 200 ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಓಕೆ, 100 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್, 200 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 300 and 400. Once again I will insert at the beginning. So now this time let me insert 50. Once again I want to insert say 20. Okay, so we have seen insertion at the beginning, deletion at the beginning. Next I want to search for a particular item. Okay, so present values of linked list are what? 20. Present values ಏನೇನಿದೆ? 20, 50, 300, 400. So this is my latest linked list created. So I want to search for the item 300. 300 present ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So option is 3. Choice is 3. Enter the item which you want to search. So 300 ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 300 is present in the list. So let me check it. Item found. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. Item found at the location 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. For non-successful search, let me check once again. So I want to search for 500. So whether it is present in the list? No, it is not present. So it should be unsuccessful. Item not found. Okay, enter item which 500 enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ item not found ಅಂತ ಬಂತು, because it is not present in the list. So like this we can exercise all the operation over the created linked list. Understood students? How we can create a linked list, how we can insert a node at beginning of the linked list, we can also delete at the beginning of the linked list, and we can search also. So ಈ 4 ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, so after performing all these operations, let me show you one video which gives you a visualization of inserting a node at the beginning of the linked list. So I have taken this video from the YouTube channel named log2 base 2.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert a node at the beginning of a linked list. Here function add first will insert a new node at the beginning of a linked list.
So ಇದೊಂದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದೆ. Add at the first. Okay, node insert the value into the data part and make it to the head, and head equal to new node. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ new node ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay,
we'll be creating a new node for our new element, and we know we have 2 parts for a node in a linked list. The data part to store the value and the next part as the reference to the next node. So a new node is created at address 1024. Now add the value 10 in the data part, and since we want to next node. So a new node is created at address 1024. Now add the value 10 in the data part, and since we want to insert our node at the beginning, it should be inserted immediately before the head. So the next part should point to the head, but head equal to null since linked list is empty now. Now the new node is created and make it the head of the linked list. Now the head will hold its address 1024. Now let us insert another element 20 to this linked list. So now val equal to 20 and the malloc will be creating the new node and add 20 at the data part, and next should point to the head, and head is at 1024, so next equal to 1024. So 20 is pointing to the head now. And now make 20 the head of the linked list and it is at address 2024. Now let us insert another element 30. So val equal to 30 and malloc will create a new node and add 30 at the data part, and next will point to the head, so it will have value 2024. Now make node 30 the head of the linked list and it is at address 3024. So that is how we insert a node at the beginning of a linked list. So create the new node, make it point to the head, and at last make it the head. Now let us relate this with a train. So we know we have an engine followed by a number of coaches in a train. So let the engine be our head and the coaches be the nodes after head. So let this be a node with data and next or link part. So suppose we have the train empty. So a new block A is added, so make it the engine which is equivalent to head in our linked list. Now let us insert another block B that will become the engine. Now insert another block C that will become the engine. Now insert another block D that will become the engine. Same happens with linked list in this case, and whenever you add a new node it becomes the head. So that's it. Now about the time. Hi friends, in this.
Okay students, I hope you understood how we can insert a new node at the beginning of the linked list. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಟು ಬೇಸ್ ಟು ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಜುವಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೆಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ www.youtube.com/log2base2. ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ and other data structure videos, they have made it very nicely. Okay students, so today we discussed linked list creation and its implementation and operations that can be performed on the linked list. So if you have any doubts related to today's session, you can write us at lms.dtek@gmail.com. so ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, we will be replying to you. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next session.